you are an alien, yes?
Yes, I've been very honest about that from the beginning. I come from a planet called Krypton, which is gone now, by the way, destroyed, along with all of my history and my parents.
Superman. Nothing's felt right since he showed up.
I'm not who I thought I was.
Parents aren't for telling their children who they're supposed to be. We are here to give y'all tools, help you make fools of yourselves all on your own.
You trust everyone and think everyone you've ever met is beautiful.
He's lulling us into complacency so he can dominate without resistance.
I'm not here to rule over anybody. I'm here to serve the people of Earth and to be a good man.
Make a move, Big Blue.